So last class we'll discuss the inline elements, right? So today we are going to discuss HTML block and line element, block level element. So what is the use of inline elements now? The inline elements and all always it will start with same line and then only it get necessary with that and all inline elements. So what is the block line elements now? So the block line elements and all always it will start with a new line and then only it access always 100 percentage of with space also. So first of all we have to assign any HTML tags. Now the basic structure will be mandatory. So what is the basic structure of HTML? Now? HTML will be block within the two section is there. So one is a head section and then second one is a body section. Head on section will be the body on section. So within the head section, we can assign the title by using title tag. What is the title now? Today we can discuss the block elements. After that, just we have to run this document now. Open with live server extension to we can run the document. Okay. So now we are getting the document. So after that, one more thing here, like block element, HTML block line elements. What is the block elements now? So HTML block. HTML belongs any one above mentioned category. Like see here, the block elements means the block elements and all start with new line. So the inline elements and all start with same line. There is a difference will be there for the inline block element. So block and dot always it will start with new line and every element it takes every single block element it takes 100 percentage of width space. There is a block element. Okay. What are the block elements is there now? So first of all, what is the block elements now? Block means container, containers, which is used to store the element. That is a block element. So simply, what is the block elements means block means containers which is used to store the elements. The block elements are not always to start with line and then it takes 100 percentage of which space that is block. So what are the block elements will be there now? In the block elements will be there one by one we can discuss. First one is the address block element. What is the use of address block element now? So now for example, so div also one block element will be div one block element is div. So within the div section, like whenever we are going to like whenever we are going to have something no? So we have to assign the address, right? Address means about that institute or about block element within the block element I'm going to assign some dates. What is the date now? For example, Besant 43 by 2 something address, Besant Technologies, and then okay, and then binary, uh, so, in the block, some address will check documents, address. everything comes like now because we're getting between, then within the block element, that div is another block element. So the same address I'm going to pass within our address block element. See the difference, what will happen. So what is the difference we are getting? This is the div block element, this is the address block element. So whenever we are using that address block elements, it's look like some address, right? So some different text style also is there, different font style also is there. It comes like address. So that's why we are using that address block element. See, you can usually find it. What is that address block element? What is the difference we are getting? The both are same block element. I mean, different block elements, but the same content only. See, the first one, the second one. So whenever we have to assign some address within our application or website, now we are using that address block element. By using address block element to whatever the address we want to assign, we can assign it here. That is the address block. And then coming to the next one. What is the next one now? Article on block element will be there. Aside on block element will be there. So what is the use of article? What is the use of aside now? So see, simply I'm going to create one more div block element here. So within the div block element, h1 will be there. H1 is there. So within the h1, simply something content will be there. Printed. So after this h1, I'm going to assign one para tag. So within the para tag, lorem content 20 words of duplicate content will be there. So see here, div is a block. Within the block only the two elements will be there. What are the elements? H1 para. So now by using this div to, we can easily access multiple elements. What are the elements will be there within that block? We can access that elements and all. Clear. So that is a block, that is a element. Block means, so div is a block. Within the block only the elements will be paragraph heading. So block is a container. Within the container, we can store n number of elements. At the same, we can access multiple elements within single block. Clear? So that is a block now. So now div is there. Within the div, h1 will be there, para will be there. See here, h1 is there, para will be there. So article also one back. The article and container so so heading same para I'm going to pass with the article block. Here, say, what is different? Comparing this one, comparing this one, the article block will be becomes small, right? Article block the text size is big. So here also each one is there. So we using article block within article block with the headings are all will be so that's also same. I'm going to use it also now. Article both are same. Check it out. So the Hello, I'm audible? Guys, before that, I'm audible or not? Not now. Before that, whenever I used to told that block, blackboard task and all, everything was audible, right? To hear. Up to whatever I explained, everything it is audible. So anyone having doubts up to blackboard tag, let me know. Sarita. Already my screen is visible or not, ma? My screen is visible. Either I have to. No. So last which tag I told you? Last tag. So now it is visible, right? Now when we are using that black code tag, now the black code tag and all the content it will start with after one tab space. See this development is there, address will be there, article aside, everything will be there. So everything it will be start with zero row, zero column. That is the thing. That is a relative question. So whenever we using the black code tag now, see we are getting the content after one tab space. There is a black code tag. And then coming to the next one, the canvas and all we can't able to use. So the DD tag will be there. What is the DD tag? Now we'll discuss in list, right? Descriptive data. That is a DD tag. And then div also on block element. You know that div block element. So DL, descriptive list. DT, descriptive title. Already we'll discuss these things and all. And then field set on tag will be there. So what is the use of field set tag now? So by using field set tag too, we can make border line. Can make border line. In that case, we are using that field set tag. For example, the address block element will be there now. Div will be there. So for this entire div, for the 100 percentage, we have to make one border line. In that case, we are using that field set tag, like which is used to make border. So simply I'm going to use that field set tag, open tag, close tag. So this close tag where we have to close now in end of the div element, I'm going to close this one. Save this one. What will happen? You can check it here. See the entire block, the border line will be created here. Clear? The entire block, the border line will be created. So for example, my requirement is for this div article aside, these three things we have to make one border line. How to do that one? By using field set only, we can assign that border line. So field set, open tag, close tag, where we have to close this one now, like in end of the aside. Here only we have to close that. See, save that one, just go and check it your output. See, the three block elements, the border line will be created. So what is the purpose we using that field set time, which is used to make border line for entire block? This is a field set time. So whenever we using that field set tag, now there one more tag also is there. What is that one more tag? Now legend one tag will be there. So by using legend tag too, we can assign that like title within our field set tag. For example, see, so the line will be there. Within the line, we have to show like some titles here. In that case, we're using that legend tag. So whenever we're using that field set tag, there only the legend tags will be working. Otherwise, it will not working. See now here the field set tag will be there. Now we can use that legend tag. So by using legend tag, I'm going to assign like this is on address as a title. Save the file, just go and check it your output. See now within the line we are getting that like title address. So here also we can assign as a whatever the head title we want to assign, we can assign it here. So by using legend tag too. So here, for example, so here after the field set tag, legend tag will be there by using legend tag to like block. So simply main block will be as a title is there. Save this one, just go and check it your output. See the main block also as a title will be created. My requirement is only for these two things, aside and article will be there. Now for these two things only we have to make as a border. How to do that one now? Here also we have to assign that border. We have to use that field set tag, open and close tag. Within the field set tag, we can assign that aside and article. See, within the main block, two more block will be there, aside and article. So within the field set only, the aside and article will be there. We are getting the borderline. For this aside an article also we have to make as a title now. In that case, legend tag we can assign as a like first block. See this one. See now the title will be created. So this is the way for we using that black code tag and then legend tag. So anyone having doubts guys in black code legend? Okay. And then next one figure caption on tag will be. So the figure caption means fixed caption on tag is there. You know right how to make that images and all. So for example, figure caption, what is the purpose of figure caption tag now? Like which is used to give the caption of the images. How to give the caption of images now? For example, we have multiple images will be there. Like we have to assign every image the caption. Like caption means image one, image two, image three, image four. Like that we have to assign the captions now. There only we are using that figure caption tag. So before that, whenever we are making that images now, we have to use figure block. So whenever we are using that figure block now, we are getting space, left side one tab space, right side one tab space. See, figure will be blocked. You know right how to make that downloaded images, how to make that browser images also. So now we can check it any downloaded images is there now you can make it that one. So either you want to make the browser images now, you can make it that browser images. That two things also already we'll discuss that thing. So how to make that images now? The image will be inline element. So image only open tag is there by using source attribute we can pass that image path. What is the path? So WP something the image path will be there by using that path too we can make it that image and save the file. Just go and check it your output now. See then now the image we are getting the image size the default size will be there. So now we need to assign some size now like height 500 pixel. I'm going to assign the height size. Width size I'm going to make as a 100% is a width size. Say now we are getting the image. So we are getting the image also, but we are getting some space. Left side one tab space, right side also one tab space. Why not? Because we used as a figure block. That's why we are getting as a we are using this figure block. That's why we are getting as a left side one tab space, right side one tab space. And then now I'm going to make one more image here. One more image I want to make now. So one more figure block I'm going to use. After that image tag and then whatever the image you want, you can make it. So the browser images one, you can copy that image address, you can make it either. But the image path two, you can now I make it 500 pixel of height size, width size, 100% the width size. Size 100%. Save the file, just go and check it your output. So now the two images will be there. The two images also we're getting left side one tab space, right side also one tab space, like block code tab. So after that we have to assign the captions. How to assign the captions now? So by using fig caption tag, block element will be there. So by using the fig caption we can assign that captions here. The first image. And then this is the second image. Like that we have to assign the captions now. There only we are using that figure caption block element. Second image. Save this one, just go and check it your output now. See here, image one, image two. Like that, we have to assign the captions. In that case, we are using that fig caption figure under. So, and then footer one block element will be there. So, what is the use of footer block element now? So here, for example, this is the website. So in this website, head bar one thing is there, navigation bar one thing is there, footer one section will be there, body one section. So here, the first one is a head bar. And then second one, Besant Technologies recommended to course all courses, branches, online training, higher talent, job seekers, something will be there. This is the navigation bar. And then this is the body section where the footer section will be there. Now, in end of the section, this is the footer section. From students down, company, top online courses, from here to the end of the thing, everything it comes in footer section only. So in footer only we are going to assign some about companies details and then address and then whatever it is information, everything we can assign within our footer section only. There is a footer block here. And then next one, form one thing is there. You know, right, that form also, form, how to create that form. And then H1 to H6, the 6 block elements will be there. I mean, the headings will be there now. So the headings also block elements will be there. H1 to H. So header one block element will be there. So what is the use of header block element? Now before the navigation bar, one thing is there, right? So this is the navigation bar. So before the navigation bar, it comes only header section. This is the header section. So we have to assign these contents now by using this that header block element. This header block element to we can assign that thing some. And then HR1 block element will be there. So what is the use of HR block element now? Which is used to make horizontal line. Which is used to make horizontal line. For example, so here, like after the black code tag, there is no any horizontal line. You can check it first. See, after the block code, after this tag, there is no any underline. I mean, there is no horizontal line. Now I want to make as a horizontal line after black code. So HR will be block element. There is no close tag and only open tag is there. Save the file. Just go and check it your output. See the horizontal line will be created. So after first image also I have to make one horizontal line. How to do that one now? By using HR tag to we can make the horizontal line. See after first image I'm going to use that HR tag. By using HR tag to we can assign that horizontal. See the horizontal line will be created. So for the second after second image also I want to make one horizontal line. HR tag. Save the file, just go and check it your output. So here also the horizontal line will be created. There is a HR block element, horizontal line. So list, already we'll discuss that list and all. What are the list will be there now? Order list, unordered list, descriptive list. So main on block element will be there. So in HTML section, so div main section and all, the same purpose only we are using. Nothing is going to happen that block elements. Only we can store the elements by using single block elements to we can access multiple of elements, that is a block. So the main div section, these three elements will be same, nothing going to happen. We can store the elements, that is the thing, block elements. So the article aside only different. Whenever we are using that article aside now, so the text size it will compressing. That is the thing. The div main section, nothing going to happen. We are going to store the elements. And then nav one block element will be there. So what is the use of nav block element now? So which is used to create the navigation bar. Whenever we are going to create the navigation bar now, we are using that nav block element. Nav will be block element. So within the nav block element, anchor tag, right? So what is the use of anchor tag? So which is used to connect the pages from one page to another page. Some like home one option will be content will be there. Save this one. Just go and check it your output. See here, the home will be created. And then I want to make about also. A tag about. And then I want to make one more anchor tag here. Contact. One more anchor tag also. So I want to make one more anchor tag here. Services. One more anchor tag. So one more anchor tag. Login. Login. Logout will be there. Login. Logout will be there. Save the file. Just go and check it your output. See here. So home, about, contact, services, login, logout. Everything it comes in same line. How? Because this is the block elements. The block elements and all always it will start with new line. So within the block elements only the inline elements will be there. The anchor tag will be inline element. The inline elements and all always it will start with same line. That's why we're getting as the same line. So we need to make as a link tag now by using href attribute. We can make as a link tag. So every tag I'm going to make as a link tag. So home also I'm making link tag, about also I'm making link tag, contact also I'm making link tag, services also I'm making link tag, login, logout also I'm going to make as a link tag. See, now everything we're getting as a link tags here. Home, about, contact, services, login, and then logout. So now we need to connect the pages. Like how to connect the pages. Now I'm going to create one home.html one file. And then one more file I'm going to create here, about.html one file. So, and then one more file I'm going to create here, contact.html one file. And then one more file I'm going to create, services.html one file. And then one more file, finally login.html one file. So now the 5 pages will be created here. So the first one is the home page. Here also on basic structure, and then one H1 will be there. Within the H1 something content home page will be there. There is one. And then here also on basic structure will be there. Within the body section, here also one H1 element will be there. So within the H1 about page, something content. And then here also the contact will be there. Within the contact also something contact information will be there. Like so something content services on file will be there. Here also I'm going to assign one H1 element here. Within the H1 element serve page, and then login page will be there. Within the login also I'm going to assign one H1 here, like login page. After the login page, address will be there. Save the file. Now my requirement is when you click the home option, we have to execute. So we have 5 home services, login and then logout. When we clicking the home option, we have to execute that home file. So when we clicking that about option, we have to execute this about page. When we clicking the contact option, we have to execute this contact page. So when we clicking the services now, we have to execute services. When we clicking login now, we have to execute this login page. So where the main page will be there now, the heading here only the navigation bar will be there. So here only we have to connect the pages. What are the pages we have to connect? The home page, about page, contact page, services page, login and then logout. So where we have to connect the pages now within our href attribute is there. Here only we have to connect that one. Home.html file name we have to pass. So then only it will be here only about.html. So here contact.html. So here services.html. Here login.html. So everything the path will be completed. Now you can check it whether it will be working or when we clicking this home. Now we are getting that home page. So when we clicking that up, now we are getting that about page. When we clicking that contact, now we are getting contact page. Now when we clicking that login, now we are getting that login page also. So this is the way for we are creating as a navigation bar. Within the navigation bar, we are going to use that anchor tags only. By using anchor tags too, we can connect the pages from one page to another page. Clear, guys? Anyone having doubts in these anchor tags, and then navigation bar, nav block elements? Any doubts? Any doubts is there? Dipti, Charita. Okay. And then next one. What is the next one now? So no script will be there. We can't able to use that one. So paragraph tag also block element. And then next one, already paragraph tag also will discuss. So PRE one tag will be there. What is the use of PRE tag now? Pre-formatted is a tag. What is the use of pre-formatted tag now? For example, I'm going to use on paragraph tag here. So within the paragraph tag, Lurium content, 100 words of content I'm going to make it. Save the file. Just go and check it your output now. See, now the 100 words of content we are getting within the paragraph tag. See, once the 100 percentage will be completed, now the second line it comes left side. Once the 100 percentage which space will be completed, now the content will start next line, next line, next line, right? So this is a proper way. So whenever we are using that pre-formatted tag, now everything will be it comes in single line, and then it comes as a different text style also. So the pre-formatted tag indicates PRE tag. So within the PRE tag, the Lurium content, 100 words of content, I'm going to assign same content. Save the file. Just go and check it here. So this is a paragraph. The second one is a Lurium. The pre-formatted tag. See, whenever we scroll in this one, everything, the 100 of words in we are getting as a single line. See, everything we are getting in single line. That is a pre-formatted tag. And then so section also will be there. The table also will discuss already. Unordered list one tag also will discuss. Video tag will be there. How to make that video now? See here. Video one tag will be there. Open tag closed. So within the video tag, source one more tag will be there. Source one more tag will be there. Now, like right, how to make the downloaded images. For example, we have some downloaded videos will be there. Now we can make it. See, just you can search anyone. Yeah, if you're having any videos now, you can copy that videos first. So I have some recording videos will be there. I'm going to make that one. So somewhere you can take anyone, copy this video, and then where the folder will be there within our desktop. So what is the folder name? New folder 5 is a folder name. So here only we have to paste that video. See, now the video will be there within our new folder 5. So close that one. You can check it your Visual Studio tool. So in this tool we are getting now the video, particular video. So now we can make it that video. How to make it? How can we make that one? So video is a block. Within the block, one more element will be there. Source is a one more element, and then src is an attribute, but by using that attribute we can pass that image name. See, whatever the image name here, the image name we can pass it here. Save the file. Just go and check it your output. See, now we are getting that empty block, right? So, and then one more thing we have to use, we can assign some height and width here for this video. Height 500 pixel, and then width size also I'm going to assign 500 pixel for the video block. Save this one. So now we are getting height 500 pixel, width 500 pixel. but we are getting empty block. We don't have any play button option and all, right? How to do that one now? So there only we have to use that controls one attribute will be there. By using the control attributes too, we can make it that play button option. So now we having that play button option. When we clicking this play now, clear. See, now the video was working. This is the paper we use that video block. And then next one. So mark you one tag will be there. So before that, center one block element. What is the use of center block element? Now, for example, H1 will be there. So within the H1, like web development, something content will be there. Web development, something content will be there. Save the file, just go and check it your output. So the web development, the content we are getting from left side. For example, my requirement is we have to assign in center of the page. In that case, we are using that center block element. See, now I'm going to use center is a block element, open tag, close tag within the center block element. Now the H1 will be there. Just copy this H1. You can paste it that H1 where we are getting save. Just go and check it your output now. See, now the web development, the heading we are getting in center of the page. So which is used to, we can align the center of the page by using center block element. That is the center. And then one more block element will be. So what is that one more block element now? Mark mark you one block element will be. So within the mark you block element, two attributes is there. One is the behavior attribute and then direction attribute. So within the marquee tag, I'm going to pass something. So something like welcome to uh, TCS. Something content will be there. Save this one. What is the purpose marquee tag now? Which is used to scroll the content from left side to right side to left side. Save this one. Just go and check it your output now. See, now the content will be scrolling here. See, the content will be scrolling here from right to left side. Initially, defaultly, the content will be scrolling. See, once the action will be completed, now again the content will start from left to right side. So this is the direction. Now we have to change the direction. So we have to change the direction. Now my requirement is I want to make as a left to right side now. In that case, left is a right is a value. By using right value to, we can make it as a left to right side. See, now the content will be scrolling from left to right side now. So once the action will be completed now, again the content will start from left side only, right? So we don't want to do like that. So we have to execute right to left, left to right also. Alternative, we have to execute that both actions. In that case, one more attribute will be there now, behavior. So within the behavior attribute, we can assign that alternate is a value. By using alternate value to, we can make it that action left to right, right to right. So now it will working or not, we can check it once. See, now it will working left to right, right to left also. The both action will be working. This is the marquee tag. Clear guys? Anyone having doubts in this marquee also? Guys, any doubts? Is there not? So without href, we can't able to. Yeah, yeah. What is the doubt, Kirtana? You can unmute and then ask me, ma. I will let you. What is your Kirtana? Hello. What is the doubt, Kirtana? Hello. Okay. So today also the block elements will be completed. Now the up to HTML will be completed. Tomorrow onwards we can start that CSS thing, styling spot. So this is the content part. Now we can add for this content how to add the stylings and all. Tomorrow we can start that CSS. So today is over. Anyone having doubts? If you're having any doubts now, you can ask me now. Otherwise, you can leave the meeting. We can close that one. Any doubts? Is there?